Hey guys, it's Tom from the Block Plane Studio on a very bittersweet day. Today is the day that my client is picking up my most prized possession, my 1948 Harley Panhead. Some things about this bike that make it super special are it's one of the last 200 Panheads made in 1948, so it has a lot of really neat one-year-only 49 accessories on it. It's just an absolutely spectacular specimen of originality and basically a dealer condition motorcycle. So just to go over some of those things, it obviously has the Deluxe Package. It has Deluxe Harley saddlebags. These have the conchos and then the red piping, which matches the Deluxe Solo seat. This seat has been repaired and had the skirt put back on, but it is an original seat with the Royalite skirt. 1 year only rear fender with the spring coil for the wire loom. We've got the 48 guide taillight with the RH5 and the screwed on license plate bracket. This is also the correct lens, although it's not in the best shape, but these are always pretty clapped out. It does not have the Guide X, so that makes it correct for 48. It's got the Bombardier fender tips. You'll notice it has the very rare and very sought after 49 only stainless rocket muffler cover. This bike is equipped with 100% OEM original parts. The rocket muffler is real. Every part on this motorcycle is real and correct for this motorcycle, even including the wiring harness, which is basically 99% original, which has been a really hard thing to make work, but we got it there. You see it's got no D-rings. This is an EL model, so it's a 61 cubic inch. It's got no D-rings. It's got the aluminum pushrod covers. It's also got the aluminum tappet blocks, the correct 48 pump, an absolutely beautiful 48 Panhead 8 rib. It's got the 1 year only stainless 49 timer cap, buddy seat pegs, because this bike also does have a buddy seat. This is the correct 48 to 50 tanks. A lot of people don't know what makes these 48 to 50, but this fuel line fitting is moved out about an inch to clear the Panhead rocker box, which is obviously a little bit bigger than the knucklehead one. The knucklehead fitting sits in about an inch. And then on the left side of the tank, the shift side, it has detents that allow the rocker boxes, the Panhead, to fit a little bit better. So those are what make those tanks unique to 1948. This has accessory bars that would have been offered from the dealer. These are Flanders bars with a Flanders top clamp, 49 offset risers, beautiful offset Springer front end. This is the correct script guide cycle ray headlamp and horn, fender light, Bombardier fender tip, and yeah, I mean, she is an absolutely gorgeous model. We'll go over here to the B side where you can see the correct outer primary, which has the inspection cover screws at 3 and 9 and not 12 and 6. Beautiful outer derby cover. This primary is in fantastic shape. Original coil. It has a very, very rare 1 year only, come in and zoom in on this, Harley Davidson 1948 spark plug boots. These are absolutely impossible to find. Number 3 Panhead spark plugs, which would have been original, and the 1 year only intake manifold, which is a welded cat intake manifold. These definitely did not withstand the test of time very well. They got warped really easy, so a lot of them aren't hanging around, but that's another thing that makes this bike just incredibly original. Just down to the nitty-gritty. So just wanted to give you a quick tour of it before I send it off to its new owner. Oh, can't forget the very rare top link, for the wider top link for the offset 49 risers. And yeah, 48 to 52 ignition with the 2 light. I mean, it really is something special. So yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching. All right, we're back. All there's left to do is start this thing and let you guys hear it run.